Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out your wallet address on OKX Web3 Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your device. And once you are logged into your wallet account, tap on Wallet from the top section. You will now see your currently selected wallet underneath the search box. If you wish to change into a different one, tap on the drop-down menu and choose your preferred wallet. Now, in order to find your wallet address to receive crypto from others, you can simply tap on the Receive button. You will then be asked to choose your desired crypto. Just tap on whichever crypto you wish to receive, and this will show you your wallet address along with your QR code right away. You can tap on the Share QR code option to directly send this QR code to whoever wishes to send you crypto. You can also tap on the Copy button alongside your wallet address to copy it onto your clipboard and share this with whoever wishes to send you the crypto once again. Once you have sent your wallet address, the sender can simply go into the Send option to send the crypto onto the appropriate wallet by using the QR code or the wallet address that you have sent. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.